let's talk about how to make money online. After all, that's why you started a business, right? To make money. I am Ryan Dowdy. I am a sales coach, and I help brand new entrepreneurs build a six-figure foundation by mastering your sales conversation and your mindset. And I love talking about money. But actually, today we're going to talk about the idea of online entrepreneurship. I've been hearing from a lot of women in my community that people aren't really sure, can I make a living as an online entrepreneur? Can online entrepreneurship really replace my full-time income? Or worse, I hear from people that my family or my spouse or the people around me don't believe that this is actually a job or a profession or legitimate. And I want to talk about a couple of things as it relates to that. First of all, online entrepreneurship is 110% a legitimate business, right? As long as you are providing a legitimate service to real humans, then it is a legit business. I hear this all the time. Is being a virtual assistant a scam? Is freelancing a scam? No, my friends, it is not. You 110%, as long as you are providing a service and getting paid for that service, it is legitimate. I promise, okay? So how do we do that? How do we go out into the world? How do we take what we've been doing our entire lives and turn it into a business? One of the things I like to look at with my clients is, what are you good at, right? What expertise do you have? Is it something you've done your entire corporate career? Is it something that you're just really passionate about that's a hobby for you and you'd love to get paid to do? Is there something that your friends constantly call you and ask you questions about that you can turn into a business? Or have you been on a journey? Have you gotten some sort of transformation through an experience that you've had, and you want to turn around and give people that same transformation? This can result to a million different things, right? You could be a virtual assistant, a freelancer, a bookkeeper, a digital marketer. You can be a copywriter. You can be a funnel designer, a web designer, a health coach, a life coach, a parenting coach, a sleep coach, a divorce coach. I'm trying to think of all of the different women inside my sales programs, but there are so many different women doing so many different things. And 110% online entrepreneurship is real, and you can create real money and real income and real lifestyle change inside online entrepreneurship. What is the biggest thing that you have to do to make money online, my friend? You have to solve problems. I'm going to say that again. You have to solve problems. People will pay a pretty decent chunk of change to solve a problem in their life. So the first exercise I have all of my clients do is take a huge step back and talk about, what is the problem that you solve for your ideal clients? And it can't just be a surface level problem, because people buy based on emotion and they justify with logic. So we can't just solve surface level problems, we have to solve emotional problems. Let me walk you through a couple examples, right? So say you want to be a virtual assistant and you just want to offer basic admin services to your first couple of clients, right? So maybe it's email management, calendar management, schedule management, just really simple admin tasks, scheduling some social media, nothing fancy, but just basic freelancing services, right? What does that look like? So first of all, the first thing you're doing is you're giving that entrepreneur back time in their business, right? And time, I would argue, is the most valuable asset that we have. You can make more money, but you can't make more time. So you give them back time. But what can they do with that time? Right? Does it give them more time to make money in their business? Does it give them more time to spend money with their family? Does it give them more time to serve their existing clients at a higher level? And then what is the result of that? What is the result of making more money, having more time to serve your clients, having more time with your family? Those are the emotional problems that people have when it comes time to invest, right? Let's go through a business to consumer example. So say, for instance, you are a life coach and you work with moms to help them lose weight, right? So say you work with moms to help them lose weight. The surface level problem is, I want to lose 30 pounds. I've had 2 kids. I want to lose 30 pounds, right? That's the obvious reason. But what's the emotional reason? What's going on to that mom? Has that mom totally lost her identity because she's had 2 kids in 3 years? Has that mom not been able to put on her skinny jeans since before she got pregnant with her first kid? Does that mom just really feel uncomfortable in her skin because her body has changed so much? And does that mom never want to get dressed or have her picture taken or put her bathing suit on with her kids and get into the pool with her children because she's self-conscious in her body, right? Those are the problems that people have. They don't just want to lose 20 pounds. If they just wanted to lose 20 pounds, they could download an app and pay $10 a month and make that happen. The reason they pay a life coach or a health coach to make that happen is because the problem is bigger than losing the 20 pounds. The problem is emotional. So the number one way to make money online is to position yourself as a problem solver. And the bigger the problem you solve, the more money you can make, even if you're not selling money-making services, right? The bigger the problem you solve, the more money you can make. So a fantastic exercise, I always like to give you tangible exercises to do, is to really spend some time thinking through the types of problems that you solve and what happens in your clients world, in their life, in their business, in their role as a mom, as a wife, as an employee, whoever they are, when they hire you or when they invest in a virtual assistant, a bookkeeper, a coach, whatever it is that you're selling. That is where the magic happens. And my friend, that is how you make money as an online entrepreneur. So yes, one, of course, online entrepreneurship is legitimate, right? As long as you are providing a service and getting people results, it's a legitimate business, right? And then number two is making sure that you're solving big problems, because the bigger the problem you solve, the more money you can make. If you want to be on the road to getting clients in your business, I want you to download my 5-step proven system for getting clients. We call it the Uncensored Sales System. And I take you through from where to find clients to how to close and onboard them in this PDF. There's a link below. Click that link and download that. We'll email it over to you. Otherwise, make sure you join us over in the Ambitious Women Entrepreneurs Mastering Sales Skills community, or if Instagram is your place, at Uncensored Sales. And we will see you in the next video.